Quantum computing is going to change lives. And today, we will be exploring 4 quantum computing stocks, small companies that are publicly traded that could change your life. Quantum computing is a promising technology that has the capability to change everything. What AI would take a couple of years to process, quantum computers would take a few seconds to do. They even have the capacity to decrypt the Bitcoin blockchain using a technology called Shor's algorithm. And today, we will take a look at 4 quantum computing stocks that has the potential to change your financial status. So let's get started. So what is quantum computing? Quantum computing is a new way of processing information and data using what is called the quantum mechanics. So think of it as a new type of supercomputer. And the regular computers uses bits, let's say, 0 and 1, right? They are binary. It can be 0 or 1. But with quantum computing, it can be both at the same time. It can be 0, it can be 1, or it can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. Think of it as a way as you flipping a coin, right? You flipping a coin, and it could, whilst the flipping is in motion, it could be heads or tail at the same time. That is what quantum computers does, right? It uses the quantum mechanics rules to process data at a rate that no other technology can do. So quantum computing are not necessarily meant to replace our regular laptops. They are supercomputers that will help in simulating molecules to create new drugs. They have one algorithm called the Shor's algorithm that has the capacity to reverse how private and public keys are created for our regular crypto wallets, the keys that we use for crypto wallets. The Shor's algorithm has the capability to be able to reverse that, which means that it can break the blockchain technology. And it also has the capacity to be able to create and design specific materials that can withstand, let's say, fires. If you go to places like California that are really prone to fires, quantum computing or quantum technology has the capability to design materials based on that can withstand all these kind of disasters, right? So quantum computing is a big deal. If you take it, AI is a big deal because we can use AI in our daily life. Quantum computing, we might not use it in our daily lives, at least in the beginning, but it's something that is going to change a lot of things. It's going to change medicine. It's going to change finance. It's going to change construction. It's going to change a lot of things. It has the capability to do a reverse of DNA. So let's say somebody has a kidney disease or a cancer or something like that. Quantum computing has the capability to be able to re-engineer the DNA of that person. So if you hear about time travel, so it might not necessarily mean traveling in time, but the time will be within the quantum computing frame, right? So quantum computing is a big deal. And in this video, I'm going to show you 4 quantum computing companies that has the potential to be the next NVIDIA, your next Microsoft, and your next Apple. So let's jump in. So the first on the list is QUBT, Quantum Computing Inc. So this company focuses on developing and commercializing photonic hardware and software. So they are not building traditional quantum computer, but they are rather focusing on the photonic technology that leverages quantum principles for high-performing computers that will be used in AI and cybersecurity. So this company is focused on AI and cybersecurity using the quantum technology, right? So if you think things that the AI is doing right now is out of the world, think about, powering it 10, 15, 20 times using quantum computing. Things can be done within the blink of an eye using the photonic technology. So that is what QUBT is focused on. And right now, the company is an early stage. It's like a bet on. It's a publicly traded company. They are not making money like most of these quantum computing companies. They are new out of the gate. That's why it's good to get in early. They are not making money, but they have a huge potential if they can scale the photonic technology. This company has a huge potential. So the number one on the list is Quantum Computing Inc., QUBT. So number two on the list is ionq. ionq, this company has been attracting a lot of buyers lately. They uses a pure play quantum computing technology called trap-on ion, and they offer quantum computing as a service, like as a SaaS. It's a SaaS company using quantum technology through major platforms like AWS, Amazon Azure, and Google Cloud. So they offer their services, their quantum computing technology as a service through the various cloud platforms. And just like QUBT, this company is also not making money. None of them are making money right now. It's a bet on that once they're able to scale and develop the technology, this is going to be big. So the number two on the list is ionq. The number three on the list is Rigetti. So Rigetti is one of the pioneers and one of the most promising quantum computing companies around. They offer a full stack quantum computing services. So you can get the hardware, the software, and the cloud platform all with them. And they can integrate quantum computing services with, current platforms also. And just like the other companies, Rigetti is not making money at this point in time, but it's a very, very promising company. The ticker number is RGTI. And these companies, they have been going up a lot lately because the quantum space is drawing attention. People are starting to pay attention to it. That's why it's better to get in now before it's too late. So the third one on the list is RGTI. The fourth and the final name on the list is D-Wave Quantum, QBTS. And this is personally my best pick. I've read a lot about the company. If you look on Wall Street, it's attracting a lot of attention. Jim Cramer even said D-Wave is a buy a couple of weeks ago. They are seen as a pioneer in the quantum space, right? They are the front runner. Everything that they do, others follow. They have partnership with NVIDIA and Microsoft. And then earlier this year, Microsoft issued a statement to their customers that they should be prepared for quantum computing later this year. And all is powered by D-Wave Quantum. So this company, to me, is the best out of the lot. I've been following them. The stock moved from about $1 or so late last year to almost $20. Right now, it's hanging around $17 per share right now. And personally, I think among all the quantum computing stocks right now, QBTS is my personal pick. So that's it for today. And be mindful that these companies are all small caps. So you experience a lot of volatility if you decide to get in, but the potential is big. Let me know in the comment section, what is your overall pick? Do you know anything about quantum computing? Are you looking into this sector? Do you think it will is the next big thing, or is just another, FOMO? Let me know in the comment section and I'll talk to you later.